And we're back to learning Illustrator in a year, day 132. Just a quick side note when it comes to designing graphs, you can use any of these tools. Right here in the graph toolbox, I've shown you left click on the canvas. You can set your overall size and then use this Excel spreadsheet kind of menu to add your values. We quickly add 3 social media platforms and 3 values. And there you go. We have this simple graph. You can drag it around and even transform it. And this Excel spreadsheet at the top right, it will stay there. But once you've closed it, it's kind of gone. So what if you wanted to change the data, or you found a mistake that you've made and you want to adjust it? We can simply right click on your graphs and you will find a data option. Left click on it and this should make the menu pop up again. But keep in mind, this is only active when your element is still a graph. So as long as Illustrator can detect it as a graph, this will be active. But I've also shown you in the past, if you want to recolor your graph and it's still a graph, well then this happens right here. Everything is being recolored at once. So to recolor this step by step, you need to ungroup it. And then this warning message pops up. And if you confirm here, well then your element is not a graph anymore, or at least Illustrator cannot detect it as such. It will be a graphic design element, and therefore once you've done that, once you've ungrouped and confirmed the warning message, this data option will not be available anymore. So in simple terms, make sure that your data is correct, that you don't want to make any changes to this anymore before you ungroup and confirm the warning message, because once you've done that, you cannot go back. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.